you ever stopped to think about how deeply entwined your finances are with your overall sense of contentment and happiness? We've all felt it, that real knot of anxiety when unexpected bills pop through the door. Financial insecurity isn't just about that number stuff in your bank account. It's also about a heavy emotional burden that can fuel stress, disrupt sleep, strain relationships, and even impact your physical health. Let's flip the script. Imagine your money flowing towards things that genuinely matter to you. Not just the necessities, but the experiences, causes and goals that can light you up on the inside. Aligning your spending with your values wherever possible. Think about what truly brings you joy. Is it travel? Investing in fitness? Spending quality time with your loved ones? Investing in your personal growth? But this isn't about having endless amounts of money. It's more about the quality of what you spend whatever you have on. It's about consciously directing your available resources towards what truly nourishes your soul. Spending becomes less about obligation and more about your intention and desires. The result? A noticeable shift in what's sometimes called your emotional landscape. This newfound clarity and intention can free up mental energy, reduce stress, and boost your overall sense of well-being. It's about creating a financial life that helps you to support the life that you truly want to live.